Want to learn AI agents and serverless system by actually building them? Then you should check out Code Vipassana Season 14. In this video, we'll talk about it, how you'll be getting free credits for completing the code labs, and we'll be providing you solutions too. So let's come to the main page and let me tell you what is Code Vipassana. So Code Vipassana is a practice-based learning series designed for everyone, whether you're an engineer, developer, or any curious person who is curious about the future of AI. The focus is simple. You have to build real projects, gain deep focus, and master modern AI tools. We'll be providing the solution for the code labs. No need to worry about it. Now here, you need to understand the session will be starting from 16th of March and will be continuing till 20th of March 8 p.m. IST sharp. Okay, so you can see we have multiple sessions packed. One is related to building the agent builder, and then how to just create a multi-agent system using LangChain 4J and MCP toolbox. Similarly, we have autonomous visual supply chain commerce with ADK, and similarly you can see all these sessions are packed. You'll be getting a live session also, and some of the challenges are self-packed. Mostly they have provided the code labs. If you just open it, you can see we have code labs. Okay. And here also we have another code lab. So you have to complete all these code labs. Okay. And these are very simple code labs. I'll provide a solution for it. And there will be some leaderboards. You can see you'll be becoming a champion. You'll be getting a certificate also. That too free of cost. Okay. So you can see all these categories are there. You can become lab champion, troubleshooter, project pioneers, community leader. And you can see there are 4 level challenges are also there. Here you'll be getting certificates, how to generate the certificate. I'll cover that video also once the challenge is completed. And one more important thing is that, okay, there are no swags for this event as of now. I think they'll be providing swags for the top contributors, maybe someone who will be winning, but they have not mentioned in the website. So it's very important to clear it, because most people I know, they'll make a video and say free swags and everyone will be getting. So this thing is a very important thing, because most people want to register for swags only. So as per the website, you can see there is no mention of any swags over here. This program is learning, will be getting free GCP credits, which cost around $300. Okay, so you're getting free of cost hands-on training also. So that is more than a bag, bottle, etc. I think so. Also, do not follow random people. Just follow whatever I am uploading and just complete the challenges. So this was a quick update. And if you're interested in other events, for example, Gen Academy, APAC Edition, MLH season, and there are multiple events like Salesforce, so you can just watch the video. I'll share the related events video also in the description. You can check it and participate. How to register in this event? It's very simple. Make sure you are signed in with your Gmail account. You have to simply click on join over here. Okay. Now here your email will be selected. If you want to switch the email, you can simply switch it. Now you have to click on next. From here you have to enter your first name, last name. Okay. And just select as a learner, student, or working professional. So you can just select student if you are a student, and if you are a working professional, you can just do it. Now this is very simple step to register, and once you have registered, you'll be getting all the emails related to the events, code labs, and credits. Okay, for claiming the credits, I will also make a video. You can just check it out, and all the confirmation and updates will be sent to you via the email. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.